Sterilization parameters, autoclave load. Load size. The load size is specified in the batch manufacturing record. Any change in the load size will affect the sterilization time and sterility of the load. Larger loads will need longer heating up times in order to reach the sterilization temperature. If the heating up time is not increased, then the load will not be sterilized. Smaller loads will heat up faster and will be exposed to the sterilization temperature for a longer period of time. A longer sterilization time could cause the load to degrade. Load distribution. The load must also be placed correctly in the autoclave to allow the steam to penetrate all parts of the load. If the load is positioned incorrectly, then the steam will not penetrate all parts of the load and it will not be sterilized. Sterilization parameters, time and indicators. Sterilization time. The sterilization time must be controlled. It is important to have a minimum sterilization time. If the sterilization conditions stated in the BMR are not maintained for the minimum sterilization time, the load will not be sterilized. If the sterilization time is increased, the load could degrade. Sterilization indicators. Control devices are used throughout the sterilization process to determine if the sterilization temperature was reached. Heat-sensitive tape is used for steam sterilization. The tape changes color when it reaches the sterilizing temperature. Sterilizing tape is normally applied to the load in the autoclave. The tape is checked at the end of the sterilizing process for the correct color change.